Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. Happy hump day, April 9th. Here's the daily frame going in, guys. NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. You can see that we technically have down days, down day, and down day because we broke yesterday's low. But functionally, really a contracting pattern inside of Monday's wide-ranging candle with that big fake news wick that we failed to break above on the NASDAQ anyway yesterday on the open. And so now we have this little tiny body on the NASDAQ, small body on the S&P, a little bit bigger here on the Dow. But you can see that we're basically bearish to neutral here coming into the open. In terms of the VWAP, guys, we're just above balance here. Not much going on there from that front, but it's been a weak morning, but now rallying back up. This, by the way, guys, is my new trading grid. I announced it this morning on my Telegram channel. My private students have been using this for some time with great success for the most part. And you can see that it's exactly the same as my former grid, which is here, daily, 30-minute, and 1, except for the way the charts are laid out. So it's still the daily, the 30-minute, and the 1, but now from left to right, intuitively, as you would read a book, from left to right. So daily flows into the 30 and flows into the 1. The prior grid, guys, was daily and 30 and 1, kind of going in a circle like that, if you know what I mean. And so not a major change, but this seems to be something that, because of the intuitive nature of it and keeping the charts fairly symmetrical in terms of size, seems to make sense to the mindset and the mind frame of many traders. This oscillator down below, guys, is just a placeholder. You can use whatever you want. Some traders will use no oscillator. I don't really use them myself, but you might have an RSI, a MACD, a Chand oscillator, rate of change, ATR, Williams percent R, whatever you want if you want to use an oscillator at all. But I just put it there just as a kind of a tool placeholder for you to do whatever you like. So here we are, guys. We are now open on the New York session. As you can see, we have the first two candles like you would normally see on my other grid, right here. That's a 2-minute chart. Let me just make that a 1-minute chart. There it is. So you would normally see that over here, but now you'll see it still in the same place, but over here. All right. I'm still going to use the two sisters like you see here for the opening range and to see alignment, synchronicity, and what have you. 78-point range, guys, for the NASDAQ on the open, and 19 or 20 points for the S&P. Pushing up here now. Nothing for me to do. I'm just going to be monitoring this on this nice new grid. Not a major change, guys. You can see on the 30-minute chart, we do have a range up here where we had 4, 5, 6 candles or so from the early UK session where prices could not get any higher. I'm going to see how prices act and react here and then take it from here. We have flipped bullish, by the way, on the body on the daily candle there. See that there? Daily, 30, and 1. Nothing to do here, guys. Pretty good alignment between the two sisters. But we are pushing up into this zone. I do want to see how prices act there. Just going to be patient here, guys. Just bringing out a marker here, guys. Doing some thinking and measuring. All right. Buy stop order, guys. Right above this candle. Stop below that same candle. Here we go. I'll explain why, and I'm in, guys. I'll explain why in a moment. And now it's the waiting game. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. And now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of these players. Why am I long, guys? Well, that daily they're failing to continue to sell down after breaking yesterday's low, then the body flipping bullish is a bullish sign. pushing up here, guys, in the pre-market, signaling an intention of buyers and bulls to come in when they did en masse here on the open. First pushing up just slightly and then pulling back orderly, but losing steam in a bullish EMA configuration, 9 above 21 with rising EMAs, then finding support, 1-2 bodies. And then this big shift candle, all of a sudden, you saw me immediately pull out the marker once that shift candle exploded here to the upside and actually finished above the high of the session. See that? Almost the lowest candle of the session to the highest candle of the session in a 1-minute candle is fresh buying with the positive moving average configuration signaling the intent. This is an influx of buyers, guys, to continue that pre-market momentum, that flipping of the daily body to bullish. But there is nothing obvious about any of this stuff, guys. This is a very dangerous market, tons of volatility, and lots of twists and turns, and anything can change at any moment. The slightest hint from the White House on anything, or from a congressperson, or from somebody in the press can have this thing drop in a heartbeat and take me out, as many of you are knowing from your own trading endeavors of late. These are tricky markets, guys, no matter how you slice it. All right, guys, we've pulled all the way back to my original entry, and so the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out at break even. All right, guys, we're back, and as you can see, a lot of time has passed here, lots of grinding, and we tried to make another attempt higher here, but it looks like we're going to get stopped out at the original stop. And so the most conservative trader, the 1R all or nothing trader, will be the winner here today. And the 2R move stop to break even played great defense at a break even result. And the other two traders took a 1R charge, but this is the 1R win to put in the books to start the day here. But I think we're about to end this video in a few more moves here. And there it is, guys, pulled all the way back. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you. Nice 1R win to start the day, probably to finish the day, given that it's now 11 o'clock. But thanks for being with me. Appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon.